Hey everyone, I found myself needing to do a bold font the other day, and the handwritten fonts, most of them don't have a bold option within LXI, so I couldn't quite figure it out. I guess a little slow, I don't know, but ultimately I figured it out, and I just wanted to share it with you. It's not all that difficult, but I think it's something nice to know, and it kind of follows along where the technique is very similar to the baseball mom sticker that I did last time with using the outline. So we'll just get to it real quick. So this is the wording, "We are family." I was working on a family reunion shirt design, and I found that some of my other designs, without paying much attention to the thickness of the letters here, there would be an issue with the heat transfer vinyl adhering to the shirt. It would sometimes lift just because there wasn't much surface area for the adhesive to grab the shirt. So it became necessary to thicken the letters, especially like on the ends of the letters, like this E right here, to make them stick better. So what we've got is, this is the original text. I didn't weld it beforehand. I don't know what I was thinking. This one is already welded, but the only thing that we need to know, like I said, is do an outline. And I've already unchecked keep original. It will probably be checked by default on yours. Black is the color of the text originally, so I'll just keep that at black. And 0.025 or 25 thousandths of an inch is a good thickness to add to this size letter, and it doesn't really muddy anything. Everything is very visible still. Some letters like this E on other fonts, the hole, if you will, I don't know the grammatically correct term, but the absence right here would get closed in if you used too thick of outline, and so you don't want that to happen, because then it'll just look like a really thick C. So anyways, so we've got the letters here. We've added 25 thousandths of an inch as an outline, and I'll just hit the green check mark, and there we go. We've got bolded text, and by not keeping the original, we've only got the one outline instead of the original thinner text outline. Then we have to do some extra options to get rid of. So there we go. Hope that is informative to you. I guess like and share and subscribe if you choose. I'll hopefully try and get more of these out. I've just kind of been busy working away and on normal everyday designs, so not really encountering anything that requires much figuring out, if you will. So anyways, I'll be getting some more kicked out in the near future, but hopefully this one will get you out of a hole if you're stuck in. So anyways, enjoy.